The bit on the left is a standard half-inch diameter spiral upcut flush trim bit. The bit on the right is just 3/16 of an inch in diameter. When your pattern routing projects involve intricate detail, with radii as small as 3/32 of an inch, Ultra-Shear's new 3/16 inch solid carbide micro-bearing spiral flush trim bits get in and out of those tight corners and deliver a smooth surface that needs little or no sanding. At 3/16 of an inch diameter, these spiral flush trim bits are the smallest bearing-guided router bits made, and only Ultra-Shear uses two stacked bearings installed tight to the end of the cutting edge. With cut lengths of 3/8 of an inch, 9/16 of an inch, and 3/4 inch, you can match up to most any project thickness. But the big difference with these bits is the tiny cutting diameter. Work in and out of the tightest details in toys and giftware items, and get the cleanest cuts possible with the spiral cutting geometry. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups, and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Stop living in the Stone Age. Order your Ultra-Shear solid carbide micro-bearing spiral flush trims today. Have an idea for router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.